Adam White, MotorcycleUSA.com. We're here at the 2008 Kawasaki dealer meeting in Las Vegas, Nevada. Kawasaki's got a lot of great new models this year. The 2008 ZX-10R is completely redesigned, as is the 250 Ninja R and Kawasaki ZX-14. I'm really excited to see all these bikes, so come on, let's go take a look. The 2008 Kawasaki lineup. I hope you guys are at home or as excited as I am about riding these machines this year. So I guess next stop's your Kawasaki dealer. See ya on the road.